Welcome. Till now we have studied about addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Now we will study about multiplication of algebraic expression. Now we will do how to multiply a monomial by a monomial. So if you see here 3x into 12y, so we will take the coefficient together, that is 3 into 12, and x into y we will take together. So 12 threes are, 12 threes are 36. And x into y, the answer is x into y, xy. So this is our answer. For example, I have taken first example. If second example, if I am taking negative 12x into 3y square. So take the coefficient together, that is negative 12 into 3. We will take together multiplied with x into y square. So our answer is 12 threes are negative 36 and x into y, x y square. So in this way, if third example I am taking, it is given 2a square into 3ab square. So we will write 2 into 3, coefficient together we have to take, and then variables we have to take, a square into b square. So 2 threes are 6, and a square multiplied with a, that will be a raised to cube, and b square. This is our answer. So this way we can do a multiplication of monomial with a monomial. Now we will take, when multiplying two monomials, first multiply the coefficient and coefficient along with the sign, then multiply with the variables. For example, here what we have done. Now we will do multiplying a binomial by a monomial. So now next we will do multiplying a binomial by a monomial. So example, if I am taking x without sign, means it is multiple. So what we will do, this term multiplied with this, so x into x plus sign is a, so put plus, then x into y, means monomial first multiplied with this, and then so x into x, it is x square, and x into y, it is xy. If it is given, this was first example. Second example, 7x minus 6y multiplied with 3z. So we will take the this multiplied with this, and this multiplied with this we get. So 7x into 3z we will write, then sign is minus, so minus, so 6y into 3z. So now we know how to do the multiplication of monomials. So 7 threes are 21, x into z, xz, minus 6 threes are 18, and y into z, it is yz. Now multiplying the binomial with the binomial, we will do multiplying, that is binomial, a binomial by binomial. For example, if we are taking 3xy, 3x plus 4y multiplied with 5x plus 7y. So what we will do, this first we will multiply with this, and this we will multiply with this. I will show from the color. This monomial first we will multiply with the whole this, and this, after that this term we will multiply the whole with this full term. Okay, so the step you can see, that means we can write 3x multiplied with this binomial 5x plus 7y. Here sign is plus, so we will write plus sign, and next term is 4y. So 4y multiplied with this binomial, that is, now you know how to do multiplication. So 3 5s are, we can either write like this, this into this and this into this, that is 3x into 5x plus 3x into 7y plus 4y into 5x plus 4y multiplied with 7y. So our answer is 3 5s are 15x square plus 3 7s are 21 x into y xy plus 4 5s are 20 yx or xy, we can, the meaning is same, plus 4 7s are 28 y into y square. Now if you see here, these are the like terms, so we will add here. So our answer is 15x square plus 21 plus 20, it is 41xy plus 28 y square. So in this way we can do the multiplication. So now we will solve the exercise, that is practice set 30. Here it is given multiply 16xy into 18xy. So first we will multiply the coefficient, that is 16 into 18. Sign is, then we will write multiplication xy into xy. So it is multiplication. So we have taken the coefficient and then we have multiplied the variables. So now 16 18s are, we will do here 16 into 18, 6 8s are 48, 4 carried over. So 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 4, it is 12, 0, 1 6 are 6, 1 1s are 1. So answer is 288. So our answer is 288 x square y square. X into x, x square, y into y, y square. Next we will see, question is given 23xy square multiplied with 4yz square. So again we will take the coefficient together, that is 23 into 4 multiplied with xy square multiplied with yz square. So 23 4s are 4 3s are 12, so 2 4 2 92. This x in x, so we can write x, then y square into y raised to q, and z square. So this is our answer. Now if we see third one, it is given 12 binomial multiplied with monomial. So what we will do now, we will do this multiplied with this plus this multiplied with this. So we will write 12a into 4c, plus sign is there, so we will write plus 17b into 4c. So 12 4s are 48 and a into c ac, plus 17 4s are 68 and b into c bc. Now next we will see fourth one, it is given binomial multiplied with binomial. So 4x we will multiply with this full term plus 5y multiplied with this. So we can write 4x multiplied with 9x plus 7y plus 5y multiplied with 9x plus 7y. So we will get 4x into 9x plus 4x into 7y plus 5y into 9x plus 5y into 7y. So coefficient for 9 4s are 36, x into x square plus 4 7s are 28, x into y xy plus 5 9s are 45 and y into x, so it is xy plus 7 5 it is 35 and y into y square. So we got now 36 x square plus here both are like terms, so we have to add that plus. So 28 plus 45, 8 plus 5 it is 13, 1 carried over, 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer is 73 xy plus 35 y square. So this the answer. Now next question, it is given question number 2. A rectangle is 8x plus 5 centimeter long and 5x plus 3 centimeter broad. So length is given, breadth is given, find its area. So area unit, we should know that area unit is always square. Here centimeter is given, so square centimeter. Unit of area is always written in square. So here length is given, so we will solve. Length it is given 8x plus 5 centimeter and breadth it is given 5x plus 3 centimeter. So for formula of area, we know length into breadth. So area of a rectangle is equal to length multiplied with breadth. So that is equal to, length is given 8x plus 5 and breadth is given 5x plus 3. So we will do it here. It will become now 8x multiplied with 5x plus 3 plus 5 multiplied with 5x plus 3. So we know now 8x into 5x plus 8x into 3 plus 5 into 5x plus 5 into 3. So 8 5s are 40, x into x square, 8 3s are 24 and x is there, so x plus 5 5s are 25 x and 5 3s are 50. Now if you see here, they are like terms, so we will add together, we will get the answer 40x square plus 25 plus 24, it is 49x plus 50. So this is the answer. Therefore, we can write area of a rectangle is equal to 40x square plus 49x plus 15 square centimeter. Unit is a must. So this is our final answer, and here we have solved practice set 35. Thank you.